Hello, welcome to Latest Wealth. Mind, money and market. My dear friends, I am Kailash. I am a financial advisor as well as a wealth coach. And also I am an entrepreneur. I invest in stock market. And my passion is to teach investment lessons to people. Because without financial knowledge, I suffered a lot in my life. That's why I want to educate the people. That's why we have created this program, Latest Wealth. In this episode, I'm going to share how the stock price will go up in the stock market. Let us start. My dear friends, you might have seen sometimes in media or newspapers, some stock prices are going up, some stock prices are coming down. In the TV channels also they are saying the stock index is going up, index is coming down. Sensex is going up, Sensex is coming down. Nifty is going up, Nifty is coming down. Now, what is Sensex? What is Nifty? What are the index? We deal in some other episodes. This episode, let us deal why particular stock price goes up. How it goes up is more important. Actually, both are important. Why the stock market prices goes up, we have already created one episode. You can watch that episode so that you will come to know why the stock market prices goes up. We have created two episodes. Same the way why stock market prices goes down, that also we have created earlier episodes. You can watch it. And what are the five major factors which controls the stock market prices, that also we have created videos. Just go and observe and watch that videos in our YouTube channel. This episode, we have received a lot of mails and a lot of response from people. They want to see in numbers how the stock market price goes up. Let us see. My dear friends, just don't listen simply. Just watch and look at the screen also very carefully. Very, very important thing. Why the stock market increases? Because if listed stocks in that particular stock market, for example, if you take Sensex, some 30 top stocks, if they all are raising, Sensex also goes raising. Nifty also same, the top stocks, if they are raising, stock market also start raising. Like for example, if you are living in one particular city, suppose all the real estate prices in that particular, in all the areas real estate prices are going on, then what you say, oh, that city real estate is very costly. Like for example, if you see in Bangalore, for last 10 years, real estate prices are keep on going up. Especially if you see in Hyderabad, sometime during the 2008 to 2014, real estate prices were coming down. Then they say, in the Hyderabad city, stock real estate prices are coming down. After 2014, once again, slowly real estate prices are coming up. That means entire city affects. Same the way in the stock market also. If maximum stocks are going up, it is called bull market. Maximum stocks are coming down, then it is called bear market. Here, let us take into one particular stock, how the stock price goes up. Before directly explaining, let me give one example how it comes. My friends, it is just like if you go into any marketing yard where the villagers, the farmers bring their agriculture product to the market. If you are observed, then you can understand concept very clearly. It is just like a market. See, in the market, in India especially, before festivals, tell me some of the flowers and fruits, prices will go up or come down. Immediately with your common sense you say, yes, before the festivals in India, flowers and fruits prices will come up. Because what happened? Before the festival, 1 day, 2 days before the festival, lot of people will come to market and they want to purchase the fruits and vegetables. Suppose at the time there is a short supply of vegetables or fruits, what will happen? Prices will raise more or come down. The prices will raise more. Same the way in the stock market also, when there is a short supply of selling people and more buyers are there, the prices will go up. Like I'll give one classic example. Suppose one superstar movie is getting released. Very first day, morning show, or on first day, heavy demand for the tickets, right now? Now, some people start selling in the black market also, yes? You might have heard about a lot of stories. Because on very first day, lot of people, they want to watch the movie. Suppose 100 rupees ticket, some people sell for 500 rupees also. Because what happened there, supply is less. Because hall capacity is only 500 people, whereas outside 2000 people may be there. So, there supply is less and demand is more. Now let us take one case. How the stock prices affects in the stock market. Just look at the tabular column what we are showing here. Imagine one ABC company, they are going to announce the quarterly returns. They are going to give quarterly returns. Now both they may be announcing in a big auditorium or a small auditorium or in their office based on their popularity or how they want to show to the public. And now imagine the CEO of company came to the stage and he started announcing. At the time, let it be like at 10 o'clock. Suppose the quarterly returns, what they announced to the public, and if the quarterly returns are really highly profitable compared to the previous 2 quarters, they are given excellent results and profits have gone up very well, and they are at the same time they are going to say that we are going to release some new products and the new product has got approved from a so and so particular society and it is very, very useful. It will be having a high demand like this. The CEO started saying, or the promoters started saying. Imagine that is real. The returns are, quarterly returns are excellent and they are going to introduce new products. The product is also excellent and there is a heavy demand, market is waiting. In that case, what happened? From customer point of view, more people they are going to buy their products. More demand. At that time, let us see what's happened in the stock market. Just look at the screen. Now in the tabular column, I want to show you. One is serial number, time, last traded price, at what price seller want to sell, what does buyer do, new last traded price. See, these 4 columns are there. Let me repeat once again. Serial number, time, last traded price, what price seller wants, what does buyer do, new last traded price. Let us see. See, first step is, imagine time is 10 o'clock, right? At 10 o'clock, see in our tabular column, last traded price is, imagine 1000 units. So for the sake of Indian audience, I am saying that 1000 rupees let us take. Whereas if you are from other country, you can take it as 1000 units, 1000 rupees. So what happened? Last traded price is 1000 rupees. Imagine you are having some particular stock. Now tell me, you want to sell it for more than the 1000 rupees or less than the 1000 rupees? Because you already know that the company is giving wonderful returns and they are going to introduce new products. Now heavy demand from buyers. It is just like one house. Suppose you are having one house in a wonderful location, in a busy location, in a shopping complex. Now you want to sell. At the same time, 5-6 people are coming. Before you think you want to sell, some 5-6 people come, please give me property, give me property, give me property. Now tell me, suppose in your mind you fix that property price maybe 50 lakhs rupees. Now some person comes and start asking, sir, please give me the property. If you give me, I can give 52 lakhs. Tell me, you give for 52 lakhs or 50 lakhs? Suppose some other person start coming and start asking, sir, if you give me the property, I am going to give for 55 lakhs. Now tell me, you sell for 52 lakhs or 55 lakhs? Naturally, you will be interested in 55 lakhs. At the same time, just you are about to give word of promise, one more person make a phone call and say, sir, I heard that you are going to sell the property. If you give me, I am going to give 60 lakh rupees. Now tell me, to whom you sell? Naturally, the person who is paying more for your real estate property. Same the way, here what happened? There in real estate, people will be talking over the telephone, they are giving the quotes. Here, some people will be putting the quotations. Here what happened, the 1000 rupees, now what the seller does is, let us take example. He said 1001 units or 1001 rupees. Now, because there is a heavy demand for that particular stock, what buyer does? Immediately he'll put and he'll purchase for 1001 units or 1001 rupees. Now what happened? The last transaction price will become like a 1001. Now it will become like a benchmark. Because other investors does not know, they thinking, oh, now the last traded price is 1001 rupees. 1001 rupees or 1001 units. Next, let us see after 1 or 2 minutes. Let us say the time about 10:01 after 1 minute. Now the last traded price here, it will come as a 1001 rupees or 1001 units. Now tell me, if you are an investor or if you are a seller, at what price you want to sell? For 1000 rupees or 1001 rupees or 1003 or 4 rupees? Obviously, you want to sell for more. Then what you will give is, you give a quote like 1006 rupees. If anybody is ready to purchase for 1006 rupees, I will sell it. Imagine there is a huge demand. Immediately some buyers may be interested. They know that, oh, if I purchase at 1006 rupees, it may go up to 1500 or 2500. That type of mentality buyer, immediately they will go and buy for 1006 units or 1006 rupees. Now what happened? This has become last traded price. Now the 1006 rupees has become last traded price. Now it has become once again new benchmark. Then the market is seeing, okay, the stock opened with 1000 rupees, it has gone to 1001, and within 1 minute it has come to 1006 rupees. Now tell me, hype is created and people are more interested. Already there is a lot of demand from the market. At that time, imagine one more person has come into market. He is already having some 1000 stocks or 2000 stocks or 1 lakh. Now tell me, that person, let us say your brother, he want to sell the stock for more price or less price. Now please remember that traded price was 1006 rupees. Now the time is 10:03. Last traded price was 1006 rupees or 1006 units. Now imagine your brother is a seller. What he will do? He will increase some amount, because by seeing the demand, because already some people are asking for 1009 rupees, 1011 rupees like this. Then he will give the quote for 1011 rupees. Imagine 1011 rupees or 1011 units. Now some people are ready to purchase because there is a heavy demand for that particular stock. And some people may be ready to purchase at 1020 also. Now it is getting for 1011 rupees. If you are a buyer, what you will do? You will purchase, na? Because in your mind you thought 1020 also I am ready. Now it is available for only for 1011. Tell me whether you purchase or not. Yeah. Same the way some other investor will purchase for 1011 rupees. Now what happened? The 1000 level will go into last traded price. Now it has become like a benchmark. Now people start saying, oh, now 1011 is the last traded price. Now it is a mental fix, because in the stock market there is no MRP, my friends. Whatever the market perceives, the investor's perception is the price here. Whatever the investor perceives, that is right. Now the last traded price has come to 1011 rupees. Now let us see after 2 minutes at 10 o'clock 5 minutes. 10 o'clock 5 minutes. Please remember, now the investor's perception has changed. Now the last traded price is 1011 rupees. See, at 10 o'clock it was 1000 rupees. 10:01 it has come to 1001 rupees. 10:03 it has come to 1006 rupees. Now at 10:05 the price has come to 1011 rupees. That is the last traded price. Now some other investors may be having these stocks. We don't know at what price they have purchased. There are n number of reasons to sell the stocks that we will deal in some other episode. What are the reasons why investors sell the stocks. That is one more episode we are going to create. That if you understand the reason, exactly you need not understand the reason, because people, they go into numbers only. Some investors may be selling the stock for their personal use. Some other investors may be thinking that, oh, already I got 30% profits, let me sell it off. Some other investors say that, okay, I don't know whether this stock will go up or not. Uncertainty is there, let me sell it off. Some people think, okay, let me make the profit. With this profit, let me purchase one more stock. We don't know the reason, whatever it may be. Now the investor think, oh, it has reached 1011. For some people, that may be target price. Now what happened? When the target price has come, he will give the quote, 1011 rupees, I am having so many stocks. If any person is ready, you can purchase. Of course, these and all, they don't say by mic and all, they don't go and say in this one, because already they might have put their order for 1011, I am ready to sell. There are some customers, some investors, they may be ready to buy at 1011 rupees, because long time back they might have seen the same stock which was quoting around 1200 rupees. Now tell me, if you are that person, one stock which was quoting at 1200 rupees, now you are getting for 1011, will you purchase or not? If the fundamentals strong and the two company has released wonderful quarterly returns and they are going to introduce new products, and the same time government is also favoring particular product and government is going to give subsidy for that product, suppose news has come, then what happened? You definitely will jump onto the bandwagon, you want to purchase it. Then what you do is, you put your quote for 1017, because the seller has quoted for 1017, then investor, he buys. Now the new benchmark has started, that is 1017 rupees. Yes. Now with the 1017 rupees, new investors they may quote for 1020, new investors they may buy for 1020, some other investor may come and they quote for 1030, some new investor they may purchase for 1030. Like this, they keep on going when the things are going very, very positive. Have you observed? Within 5 minutes, the stock price has come from 1000 to 1017, that is almost 17 units it has raised. When this raise is going on, people will start attracting towards this type of stock, and lot of people, then in that case what will happen in the TV, within 10 minutes since it has gone, then some analyst will start coming and just start saying the calculations about this one, and all the people start saying, hey, it is going to go up, it is going to go up. Of course, I am not saying they are wrong. And when the momentum comes, when it comes to media, when it comes to social media, some of the followers of social media people will be there. Some of the blind followers of analysts, simply they take it. My friends, in this case, word of caution, let me tell you, since stock prices keep on going, don't purchase blindly. Do your analysis, either fundamental analysis or technical analysis. For every video, I am saying same thing. Don't follow blindly the tips. Do your analysis, right? Like this, how the stock price goes. Hope you understand very nicely, because this was a question asked by one of the women participant. She was asking, sir, how it goes like this? Why our gold price is not going like this? Actually, for that sister, I have prepared this particular video so that when you see, you will come to know how the stock price will keep on rising. And if you like, please share with your family and friends. Next episode, we are going to create how the stock market price goes down. If you want to watch that video, also very important. And thank you very much. Till we meet again, enjoy every bit of life. Have a nice day and bye-bye. Thank you very much.